Vive mobility walker, and in this video I'm just doing a quick guide on how to get this assembled so you know what to expect when your product arrives. So you don't need any tools to do it, and they make it as easy as possible. Okay, and to get this assembled super easy, as you can see, there's going to be a number 1 here. So all you're going to do is find the wheel that obviously has also the number 1 on it, and you're just going to get that inserted into there. So super easy, just match the numbers, slide it in, and then there's going to be these pins here. And all we're going to do is, as you can see, there's going to be a hole here. We're just going to screw these pins in. And if you can't find these, maybe if you're digging through the box, they're going to be in the bag that comes on the bottom. So if you are kind of missing them or worrying about it, don't worry, just look in your bag. That's where they have them stored. And now repeat the same step on the other side, 2 going into 2. And same for the back wheels. As you can see, number 3 is here. We're going to take number 3 on this one. Just going to push it in there and pop our pin into place. And now we'll move to the final wheel, 4, going into 4. And now we get the handlebars in, and what's nice is going to be a bunch of different slots, as you can see here. So whatever's going to be most comfortable for the height you want, just find that slot, and then we're just going to line it up. They're going to give you these bolts. You're just going to push it through the other side. And then we're just going to screw on our piece here. And the final piece is just getting the support bar onto the front of this, and these just pop into place with pins. So super, super easy to do. And just like that, your walker is fully assembled. So hopefully this helped you out. It was super easy to do. Like I showed you, no tools involved. You'll probably have the thing assembled in about 5 minutes. So very, very easy. Love the support bar that can move up and down for you. You can sit on this. But this is going to be a great compact walker if you're looking for one. Very supportive in how much weight it can hold. So awesome product. 2 thumbs up.